So it was my dream university.
Why did you choose Boston over Harvard?
And I always want to get in there. It was not my luck this year, so I think that in future I might go there. It was not my ultimate goal, but who don't want to go into Harvard? But I know that I have to maintain very strong profile to get a good job in India also, and if I'm going to US also, I need a good profile.
What was your other offers apart from Boston and Harvard?
I have got an offer letter from Thomas Jefferson University also.
Hello guys, welcome to Aris Overseas. Today we have a student who got admission in one of the top universities in the world. Introducing Yagni. Hi Yagni.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How did you manage to get admission in Harvard?
So to get an admission into Ivy League college is not an easy process, and it cannot be done over 1 year. You have to work hard from the beginning. So I have prepared myself from the 12th standard. I have got good grades in 12th standard, and after that I have chosen a very professional course which helped me to build the foundation for great knowledge and deep knowledge. And in that also, in throughout the 6 years I have tried to maintain my SPI and CGPA over 9, which was the main part. And apart from that, only good grades doesn't matter. You have to be a part of extracurricular and co-curricular activities. You have to participate, you have to prove your leadership role throughout your university. You have to attend workshops which will help you to extend your knowledge, and in addition to that you have to have practical knowledge. You cannot just mug up the things, and in addition to that you have to maintain good relation with your professor who can give you better letter of recommendation, because that is what considered to be the most important part of your application. So I think that because of my extracurricular activities and my leadership role, in addition to that having good grades made me an all-rounder profile for them, and because of that I think I got admission into Harvard.
What was your background here in India?
So I have done my Doctor of Pharmacy degree from Anand Pharmacy College, and the university was Gujarat Technological University. I had the overall CGPA of 9.14 overall throughout the 5 years, and I'm waiting for my 6th year result right now. And in addition to that I have won 2 competition at national level dance competition recently last year in May. And apart from that I have also attended many workshops, and I have also secured first rank at a national level quiz competition of pharmacy, and in that I have gotten 20,000 cash prize. So yes, that's my background.
You got admission in Boston University as well. What was the reason behind it?
I think that my statement of purpose and my letter of recommendation were the great part, and apart from that I think that my project which I have conducted during my bachelor's here in India, I think that was the reasons I have secured a seat in Boston University also.
Why did you choose Boston over Harvard?
So it was my dream university. Harvard was my dream university, and I always want to get in there, but I think that I was not able. It was not my luck this year, so I think that in future I might go there because of all the things going on in the USA and the political administrative orders. I think that they are doing great for their country, but it is affecting me this year, so I think in future I might go to Harvard again.
So Boston University has 5% acceptance ratio. How did you manage to get admission in Boston?
So as I said in my previous answer, you have to build your profile over the years, but I think that my application was strong because of my letter of recommendation from my professor, from the head, and also from the doctor of from the hospital. And in addition to that I think my statement of purpose has that personal touch which have impressed the Boston University. So I think because of all this reason and my research training and my research experience, I have got into Boston University also.
So it was your ultimate goal from the after 12th?
It was not my ultimate goal, but who don't want to go into Harvard? But I know that I have to maintain very strong profile to get a good job in India also, and if I'm going to US also I need a good profile. So because of that
But you told me na, it is not 1 year.
Yeah, but મારું ગોલ પહેલાંથી ફિક્સ હતું દેટ મને કોઈ બહુ સારું ટોપ રિસર્ચ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટમાં જોબ લેવું છે, કાં તો મારે બહુ સારી કોલેજમાં ફ્યુચર સ્ટડીઝ માટે યુએસ જવું છે. બટ અગર ઇન્ડિયામાં બી મને કોઈ સારી જગ્યાએ જોબ જોઈએ છે તો મારું બધું ઓવરઓલ રેકોર્ડ સારું હોવું જોઈએ. ખાલી સ્ટડીઝ કરીએ તો એક જ પ્રોફાઇલ રહે કે ગુડ ગ્રેડ્સની છે, બટ એક્સ્ટ્રા કરિક્યુલરમાં લાઈક અગર કોલેજમાં કોઈ ઇવેન્ટ છે, કોઈ ફેસ્ટ છે, તો એમાં રોલ પ્લે કરવો, કોઓર્ડિનેટ કરવું, એ બધું થોડુંક આમ લાઈક પર્સનલ સ્કિલ્સ ડેવલપ થાય, ફ્રેન્ડ્સ જોડે ટાઈમ સ્પેન્ડ થાય, એ બધા રીઝનથી એ બી કર્યું હતું. અને ડાન્સ માટે તો મારું થ્રોટ સિન્સ ચાઇલ્ડહુડ પેશન હતું, તો એ બી અગર મને મળ્યું હતું ગયા વર્ષે, તો મેં એ બી કીધું કે હા ઠીક છે, ભલે પ્રોફાઇલ મેં સપોર્ટ કરી શકે છે આમ કે ભાઈ તમે એક્સ્ટ્રા કરિક્યુલરમાં છો, બટ એ મેઇન નથી.
What was your other offers apart from Boston and Harvard?
I have got an offer letter from Thomas Jefferson University also.
How did Aris Overseas support you?
Well, from the beginning, I got a reference from my father's friend that it was a good overseas to get the support. So I went there. They helped me to shortlist the university to see what are the criteria, whether I am fitting into that criteria or not, whether the curriculum is good enough for me or not. And after that, scanning the documents, filling the form, and I had a financial problem at the Harvard University. So they have contacted as many as banks they can, and as in their horizon only, and it was very good experience with them. They have also helped me during my interview practice also. They were called me that do you want to do a mock interview before your actual visa interview, and I was like yes, we can do that. And they have always have shown confidence in me, and I think that was the thing that made me more confident during my visa interview. And they have helped me to get an admission in Ivy League college, so there are no words to say the experience. It was very good.
What are your future plans?
Well, after graduating, I plan to work as a clinical research associate at very good clinical research organization or very top pharmaceutical companies. And after that, I will come back to India and will open my own CRO here.
What advice you would give to students who want to get admission in top Ivy League colleges?
Well, set your dreams before years, prepare yourself, be good in academics, be good at extracurriculars, play the leadership role, try to learn that soft skills like leadership and problem solving, critical thinking, and be confident that you will get into schools because your profile is strong. Be show confidence in yourself, and if you have an university interview, smile and say, be honest with them, be honest with yourself, and you will easily get that.
Thank you, Yagni, for taking your time. It was very pleasant to meet you.
Thank you so much.